25 years ago, Kokonut Pacific began developing technology that enables remote island communities to process their own coconuts into virgin coconut oil and coconut meal. Today, villages across the Solomon Islands produce coconut oil that we export around the world.
The last year has seen exciting progress. We have developed new recipes for coconut meal that improve diets and save money. Farmers are learning to convert their old palms into charcoal fuel and biochar fertilizer. Coconut shells are now being made into coconut bowls for local use and for export. The significance of this work has been recognised by the Australian Government's Innovation Exchange.
Winning the Ethical Enterprise Award last year was a great encouragement and enabled us to further our projects in the Solomon Islands.